$530 is how much I made day trading today in approximately 5 minutes. Let's take a look at what I did. Let's go. Before I start, I just want to go over the timing. Today, June 21st, 2024. First trade I entered at 7:37.56, close at 38.40, right? About 2 minutes something trade. And then the second trade, I started to load at 9:57, and I cut my last one setting at 10 a.m. and 8 sec. So that's about 3 minutes and something. So about like a little bit over 5 minute trade, okay? For a total today of 190 for the first trade and 340 for the second one. Now let's take a look at the charts. Chart number one, this is SPX on a 15 minute, as you can tell here, right? I basically identify a wedge from the day prior and I just drew it myself. That's why we see that triangle shape here. And then what happened was we flushed down at opening, a strong support happened here, all the way we tested the 9, then couldn't pass it and flushed down more. So what I did is actually at the bottom of this candle here, I was like, if we cross it, I'm entering, and we just did. So I entered. I had 2 contracts, enter here, closed here, for a total of $190. Trade number one. Now trade number two. Let me put it here for you. Okay. Like I said, I take screenshot nowadays. It's much faster for me to explain it to y'all. So once again, wedge that I drew. This is SPX on a 15 minute again. All right, 15 minute here. The wedge that I drew myself from yesterday, okay? Yesterday morning, the highs, the lows of today. And so that was my first trade, if you recall, okay, this one. And then the next one is over here. So that was beautiful because that was a break of the wedge. In the meantime, a break of the 9 EMA. So I started, when I saw that, I started to load over here. I started to load. And then we flushed down. As we flushed down, I just cut. I think my last one, I cut it over here, actually a little bit above my arrow, because he ate some of my profit. I always try to leave a runner on, but oh well, you always end up eating some of my profit. But we never know. I'm not supposed to know that this is supposed to go up or down or sideways, right? So in my mind, we're crossing the 9. This is my setup. Break wedge, break at the 9, entering. Maybe we got a flush lower, right? I don't know. I'm not a psychic, so I'm just applying my edge here and my strategy. And so that's it for the trade number 2. And that trade made me how much? Let's see, 340. Okay, so 340 plus 180 equals 530 for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.